If you want to learn foreign language, you should learn from not from letter, you should learn from phrase or sentence. And here you see, here the Guten Morgen. So Guten it mean good, Morgen it mean morning. Because in German grammar, so Morgen is morning, is noun. Now every first letter should write be capital, but not be lowercase. And Guten, so good is mean right here is adjective. Adjective here. Okay. Good. Good is adjective because it's an object. So object should be changed. This is different with English. So they should change to the form guten because it's objective. So if you learn the for a second language, you should find the bridge. You cannot learn there directly. For example, you learn German language, but you only learn from you don't use other tools such like your first language as bridge. It's hard to you because the first language learn method is different with the second language. So others here, so you find the, for example, if your first language in English, so you use the first language tool, so learn second language. But if you're a native speaker, it's okay. You can learn this language directly. Because when you are newborn, you can contact this language all the time. That's different. So when you learn this language, you should use the first language as a bridge, then practice. Right. So now you can write there. Guten Morgen.